Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we will explore HIMS and HERS Health Class A in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 21, 2025, our system has categorized HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 25.06% since we first recommended purchasing HIMS and HERS Health Class A 9 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.78% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the recent developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next move, as it could swing in either direction. The stock is currently positioned in the upper portion of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $38.12 would signal a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 20.53% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 20.08% to positive 23.23%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 96.02% over the next year, with a potential return between 8.45% and 87.20%. This implies a price range between $40.43 and $69.79 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, Volatile Ride for HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock price on Friday moving between $33.68 and $37.96. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock price gained 9.78% on the last trading day, Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, rising from $33.96 to $37.28. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 12.70%. With a day low of $33.68 and a day high of $37.96. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 33.43% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 8 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 19 million shares changed hands for approximately $710.34 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $37.96, while the lowest price was $8.51. Currently, the stock price is 1.79% or 68 cents below the 52-week high of $37.96, which is also the all-time high for this stock. HIMS and HERS Health Inc. has demonstrated impressive momentum recently, with its stock surging 69.2% over the last 3 months. The company is actively enhancing its product offerings and expanding its portfolio in health and wellness, which bodes well for its growth trajectory. In the most recent trading session, the stock closed at $31.86, reflecting a notable gain amidst broader market challenges. Despite these achievements, certain macroeconomic headwinds may pose risks to HIMS's short-term revenue growth, particularly related to the Food and Drug Administration's upcoming resolution of the semaglutide shortage. Analysts predict that while this could temporarily dampen growth, it may pave the way for explosive revenue increases post-announcement, as pharmacy compliance timelines are established. Moreover, HIMS continues to innovate, launching new products like meal replacement bars, underscoring its commitment to personalized health services. The company's strong financials, characterized by steady earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, margin expansion, and free cash flow, contribute to a robust balance sheet that supports both organic growth and potential acquisitions. In the short term, investors may experience volatility as the market assesses these competing factors. The current estimated intrinsic value significantly exceeds the market price, suggesting potential upside for savvy investors. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 10, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade with a downgrade action. On Friday, December 20, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned HIMS an underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 2, 2024, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned HIMS a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 5, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned HIMS a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, October 29, 2024, it was reported that Leerink Partners assigned HIMS a market perform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $32.42 and $28.70. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, December 31, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 54.18%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is confirmed by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 62 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 71 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $31.38 and $30.67. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A finds support just below today's level at $31.38. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $30.67 and $30.35. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $4.28 between its highest and lowest points, representing a shift of 12.7%. For the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.33%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 9 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upward quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A faces its first support level at $31.38. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On January 24, 2025, Chai Michael conducted an insider sale of 17,304 shares of stock options, which represent the right to buy. On January 24, 2025, Chai Michael also made an insider purchase of 17,304 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, January 24, 2025, Chai Michael conducted another insider sale of 17,304 shares of Class A common stock. On January 23, 2025, Dudum Andrew conducted an insider sale of 27,098 shares of stock options. On January 23, 2025, Dudum Andrew also made an insider purchase of 27,098 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 35.318. Overall, insiders purchased 654,280 shares and sold 1,382,155 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $35.39, reflecting a decrease of 5.08%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which inherently increases the level of risk. The relative strength index over 14 days is 96, further elevating this risk considerably. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 20 days ago. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of February, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health Class A will open down by 97 cents and begin trading at $36.31. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock market. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target price for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.